How to remove a LUT inside the Davinci Resolve version 18. Let's go here to the color tab, open the LUT page, okay, gallery LUT. Now here's a clearly visible LUT, so that's modified. Let's open the clips also so that we can see these. Now if I double click on this one accidentally, then that LUT is applied to this clip, and as you can see it's pretty black. Now how to remove this LUT? Well, you can remove that one by going to node, right clicking on that node and reset node grade, and voila, it removed that LUT. Now let's take a look. Let's apply it back. You can see it's modified. If you right click on this clip, you have LUT here also. From there, let's choose whatever, another one. You can remove this one. You can see that something is applied because there's a check mark. You can remove this one by going to LUT. But that one cannot be removed from this one because it does not have anything, no LUT selected. So that one is removed by resetting the grade. And by the way, if you take a look at that clip, that has contrast, highlight modification, gain modification and saturation modified. But if you apply a LUT, the colors are different, but nothing shows up here in the color wheels. You have these up here. So if you apply a LUT, those are not visible here.